guys, and thanks for checking in today. I just want to go over some things. I hope you guys are all well and safe, and remind you to wash your hands often. Um, Wash your hands for at least 20 seconds. Cover your mouth when you cough and sneeze with a tissue. Don't touch your eyes. Disinfect surfaces. Avoid close contact with people who are sick, and stay indoors. We are all in this together, and so what I'll be doing is putting out some um, challenges for you guys. I posted this design multiplication over the break, and the idea was that this was going to be a launching pad for us to work on our ceramic plates. Although plans change, and we'll just we'll just go from here. We'll get it all going. So going forward, I don't know how long we're going to continue digital learning, but I do know the school's going to be closed till April 3rd. So what we're going to do is every week you'll turn in an assignment that demonstrates that you've worked on art for 45 minutes, and it can look like a lot of different things, and I'll post some ideas and resources because I do know that there are many of you who are working on portfolios for College Board, and you need to have high quality work in those portfolios. So we'll just keep going. We'll just keep going. So this is design multiplication. So the objectives of design multiplication is to create an asymmetrical design that shows a variety of lines, learn how to use a visual diagram, and practice a design strategy used in logos and textiles to create an original design that will be used to construct 2 rectangle ceramic plates. Although this has changed now, and we'll do something else with these. So this is one of the completed from last semester. You might know Jacob. If you see Jacob, say hey. This is another completed project from last semester. If you know Catherine, give her a shout out. So these are some other examples of completed assignments, of what yours will look like. So use a variety of lines. I'm looking for lots of different ways that you've used lines. You're using geometric. Remember, those are the ones that you learned in geometry, and organic. This is another example. I really enjoyed how she's got different geometric, a lot of repetition in this one. So what you're going to do, you're going to start off by folding it in half into a taco, and then fold it in half again so that you have 4 columns. Then you'll turn the paper perpendicular, and you'll fold it in half and in half again so that you've got a grid on your paper. In this corner, you will write your name, and then in each of the top of the columns, you'll have a different design strategy across the top. You'll take design number 1 and repeat that same design in every box down. You'll take design number 2 and repeat that in every box down. And then design number 3, you'll repeat that same design in every column all the way down. So then you'll go and you'll add a 4th, 5th, and 6th design, and these are all different. So you will add a different one there, and then you'll take the same design and repeat it all the way across so that it's set up very similar to a multiplication board, where this would be 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, so you've got it in different. So that what you'll have is you've got 1, 2, 3, and these are all different designs. And then you can see how this crisscross, 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 crisscross is repeated all the way down. And then you've got this geometric shape, and it's repeated all the way down. And then you've got these 3 spheres, and they're repeated all the way down. And then you can see, if you see Diana, tell her she's now in my presentation. So you see this crisscross and it's repeated all the way across. And then this is a work in progress. So she's working on filling in the negative space. And she did a fantastic job with all different types of lines, thick lines, thin lines, a nice pattern. Okay, your name must be in the upper right-hand corner. Each of them have a blank space here. That's where you're going to write your name. You'll add a variety of lines to every block, and the lines will be clean and purposeful. It will be obvious that you're not using your time constructively to make progress on your design. These do take quite a bit of time. So you can see this one's a work in progress. And they do take quite a bit of time adding some lines, different types, and blocking them in. You're not required to use a Sharpie because you really need to have a fine tip Sharpie. A pencil is just fine. You can absolutely use color if you want, but it's up to you. This is a fantastic project here. And then the idea was that we were going to put them on plates. If we get back into school later, we'll put them onto plates, and these are a ton of fun. But you can see you'll pick one of these squares to transfer your design. Now we're still going to use this and transfer it onto something else, but this will give you an idea of how these are applied and how they're done. You can see this one here is the same as this one here. Okay, thanks for watching. Check back daily, and I'll be on Google Meet tomorrow between 9 and 11. Have a good day. Stay home, stay safe.